Muthenya jonarwa kambuni ya Weru TV na Weru FM nibagwatanirite na kambuni mwanya ta mafuko hospitali life care na nduka ya kwendea nguche skuru niyo Mutindo Emporium bethiritwe bakirunga kiri skuru ya ARI ya MARIMANTI ndene gishigo mbunge ketharaka wardine ya MARIMANTI araritwe ba skuru iji bethiritwe bakithimirwa kana bagitegerwo gima bwao bwa mwiri na kinya mathuganio na kwitho bakiarirwo mikarie ya gutuma betho bari na ugima bwega bwa mwiri kiri kambuni ya Weru TV atangazaji ni bethiritwe bagikenanira na kwaraniria na ARITWA baba bakiboneria na kubariria ura bakethora bagichukiria kiri muturire na kinya kiri mathomo jao. Paul Kabithi no karintereji gatwe ripoti na njira yindiko.
Ibo watinda cukuruni ya MARIMANTI guys muthenya gwemthi muthenya munene no toro wonekana cukuruni ino harandiki bande toba Weru TV na Weru FM batinda gukenanira na ARITWA ba araga seitere banjire na mutaratara wotheri wa kureithwa metho utongoreretwe nkia maitara ya kithirika ya life care hospitals.
We are doing this exercise in association with Weru TV from quite few months. We started in Meru. Now we are at Tarakaniti County at MARIMANTI school. Thank you for giving the opportunity to Meru school and also Principal Madam Anna of MARIMANTI school for making us to come here and do the screening for the students.
With this medical camp, we feel like even us supporting the community is another milestone that we have brought in as life care. And this is not the first time we will be here, and this is not the last time we will be here again. We will still come to Tarakaniti, as we always say, that life care is here to make life better.
At life care tuna services mbalimbali, tuna HDU, ICU, tuna theater services, kuna outpatient, inpatient care, na tuna radiology, kuringwa mbisa ja CT scan, ultrasound, x-ray, and you're most welcome.
Baku magwari to bakiona kagita gutaro kimuturire amwe na mathomo mao.
Form ni kujituma. Mwalimu wa maths akikuja class amalize lesson ya maths. Do you go beyond ile mwalimu amekufundisha ukafanya anything? Ukajituma hata ka 0.00 ukajituma. Kama unajituma itaweza make. Sawa? Kama ujitumi you will be a normal girl. Utakuwa msichana wa kawaida ulikuja form 1 MARIMANTI girl ukatoka form 4 ukiwa a normal girl. Nothing is extraordinary about you.
Tambua, wewe ni nani? Who are you? Do you ever wake up in the morning unajicheki kwa kioo? Ushajiuliza mimi ni nani?
Muthenya ARITWA baba ombire kurikana na kwaraniria imwe kwa imwe na andiki bande twaba na baraba ithiritwe bahiririte kubona.
Todharimwe na nancha le hai DJ nimefurahi kufika haraka. Unaitwa MARIMANTI, si ndio?
Tulisi kama mimi. Uko form 1 white. Hata mimi. Kamera nikanywa.
No, hoi.
Mami.
Yaani pokea ya mami yake, pokea ya baba. Na nani mwingine?
Amotugi baba.
Nyaba kiwana kanya kuonania biewa biao. DJ Alexis amona mboto ira batinda ne chukuruni eno.
Ngeto turi ja Weru entertainment crew to KULIUNGIRWA gasukere MARIMANTI. Now we've really had a good day kwa mbere rukire monkadha iji and being our last event yet one ne turina kuguruko kunene sana tuke gwera giroko kwa togeni interecha taraka na next time of course together tukendera kana this and even more nyamora school to zetu tukathigagia na together tukibwaja ka calendar ya kana plan ora together tukithiga school ya second term lakini na tukukurukira email yetu era ni Weru school tours weruviewers@gmail.com uketho keto tumera ka email na contact yaku twakuringira thimu na tubanganie kana tuthotoke create na kumold the next generation ya ana betu
mbuge mundi ntwira kutha tukithia kiribia tho twira kutha tukithia chema cukuru lakini no ye mundi Marimanti girls iriri awesome mbendire kumari ritumbi kutha tukiambagira twanda miti twarigie kwanda miti twathingira kiriana na bane kwa motivation bomba kutha bakinengagiro kirira na kira kingwiririe nkuruki agenda murikirira entertainment ai ntaitegeje kama Marimanti bomba kutha bakiru thagogu na ntubakwa bana athara kaibwega ni kwane ndimbigiro bakina kathambi ngwirirwe serious
janja no tumbije kaba kuinga cukuru be janja please tusaidieni because hatutaki wakikuja huko be janja bachenche toka sana juu chini
mubango wa tutharimo ukionekane wene mashambiki maingi cukuruni ino manicharo na urimo arimu munene cukuruni ino akiigua na nkatho inene kiri gituo giki kia Weru TV na Weru FM.
A good time to build to exercise and sing and get excited. The day was a great day for us, and we want to welcome to say welcome to Weru TV again and again. We really need these kind of programs over and over again.
Ngeripotera Weru TV kumantere chedharaka cukuruni ya Marimanti girls Beto wa Paul Gwa